Today we are here live at Friendship Evening. Let's go and talk to parents and find their views and opinions about our school.
Which really shows as a community we can bond together. We are safe, we are happy, and we learn.
My sister attended the school and she left in 2012. And since then, the school continues to go from strength to strength.
Very, very amazing. I learned how to animate, but I didn't know how to do that before. Outstanding, and it's a good school.
I find it good and it's like educational and it's fun.
I've learned how to drum in rhythm.
Yeah, I've learned how to break up the butter from mixing the sugar together and it was really easy.
Really proud to be the head teacher at St Matthew Academy.
We have seen loads of parents, had loads of interviews and took beautiful photos. Hopefully all these children come back to the school in our school uniform. Thank you for watching SMA News at Friendship Evening.